Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Christina, your fashion and beauty advisor. Today's makeup look is inspired by the upcoming Christmas parties and especially Tom Ford's provocative look. If you want to impress your colleagues, your bosses, or just yourself and want to look sexy, classy and sassy, keep on watching. As always, especially winter time, moisturizing your skin is extremely important. So before you proceed with anything else, you make sure that you moisturize your skin very well and then keep on building the foundation. So I'll do a couple of pumps on my hand of this foundation, and then I want to make sure that I will apply generously on my skin, as I definitely need to have this pale look on my face because it's winter time, so we are pale. And that is normal and it's very beautiful for winter looks. So let me achieve this pale look and this very porcelain-like skin, seal it with the powder and then continue with the actual look. And then next I want to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in color Walnut. And the blender, the beauty blender, let's see if it's gonna, okay, so maybe like, and I want here very sharp lines, okay, it's like a triangle. I also want to pop here, just a little bit. When I'm done, I want to take this powder and tap it all over my face. So next I'm gonna use a black pencil. In my case, that will be Charlotte Tilbury's Veruschka Mink. And I'm gonna do the line all around my eye, creating a specific shape. Right, so this is more or less the shape that I am aiming. So after that, we are going to build the color. In order for me to get the color as vivid as possible, I want to use this Painterly, which is like a base, and then tap it. So now I'm gonna take this color right here and start tapping. So in order for me to get the wet effect, I'm gonna take this multi-effect eyeshadow wet and dry from Manhattan, which is this kind of color. 24 Earth. Brush into water. Try to make it not that watery. But you can see how it looks. Okay, now that I'm almost finished with the eyes, I already put fake eyelashes. I just want to tap this light color in the middle. Very, very gently. Okay, so up next is going to be lips. So Givenchy in color 5 to outline the lips. Okay, so once you have the shape ready, I have this INGLOT color as a lipstick, which is Rouge Levres, okay, number 9. Doesn't have a name, but this is how it looks like, and it's more of a shiny kind of lipstick. So I'm just gonna use a brush and then go on top. And as I want to make it more Christmassy like, I want to take this Juicy Rouge from LANCOME Paris, and it looks like this. Tap it on top. So lastly, for the makeup, what I want to do here is like keep the face matte and just have a very sharp and very visible highlighter on the side. On this case, I want to use a blush, which in my case is going to be the Pink Lily blush by Nude by Nature, and keep on building without even trying to blend it out. Thank you guys for watching me today. That is the final look. I hope you like it, and I hope you feel you will be bold enough to wear this makeup on your Christmas party.